So what do you do when you have little dogs and it's snowing? Especially the wiener dogs. Give me a minute. I'll take you outside and show you. Okay, so this is what we do during the winter. We got the big old blower and Jimmy is blowing off that patio for those hot dogs because they don't like being in the snow. We did an awning, a carport basically, to put over the grass because that's one of their favorite spots. But with the snow collecting, you don't want it to collect and you don't want to bang on anything because, well, that's a pain. So you can see it takes the blower, blows it off, it's falling off. Figure you could do it every, I don't know, couple of hours when you see it getting full. But look at that. I thought that was brilliant. Super handy, especially with those little wiener dogs. And then he's just gonna blow the snow right off of that grass, which is lovely because last year they were unamused. It was horrible. Poor little guys. And I love that with the carport because last winter when it snowed, I had to take one of our little dogs up top underneath that little patio because it was the only place that didn't have snow, and as I was coming down I slipped and broke my leg in two places. So this was part of the reasoning behind this. So any of y'all have those dogs or dogs that don't like being out in the snow or the rain during winter, this is what's worked for us. So here we are. We got everybody coming out. Of course, big dogs, well, biggest dogs have to go running around. Come on, Izzy. But look how great that is. They love it. Is it good for you, puppy? Good girl. Oh, you gotta run. Okay. But look how awesome that works. Nobody's soggy. Well, except for the ones that decided to run around. But it definitely gives them a chance to, oh, there they go. Zoomies in the snow. All right, you guys, you ready to go in?